Why learners fail at roundabouts? What is the reason? Many learners, they fail the driving test at roundabouts. So this is what we are going to talk about in this video, why many learners fail at roundabouts, and also how to fix those problems so that when you go to the test, you don't fail at roundabouts. Okay? So our main focus in this video is why learners are failing at roundabouts, and what can you do to fix those problems so that you don't fail your test at roundabouts. This is what we're going to talk about in this video. Let's start the lesson. Now, firstly, number one, you need to fully understand what is roundabouts, what is the principles of roundabouts, what is the rule of roundabouts in the UK. It doesn't matter how much driving you do on roundabouts, how much practice you do. If you don't understand how the roundabout works, which lane you need, when to signal, how to approach, where to look, who has priority. If you don't understand any of that, you're always going to have a problem at roundabouts. So number one, get to know, learn what the roundabout is all about, what is the rules, and what is the principles of roundabouts. There are other videos on the channel where I talked about the roundabouts in great details, how the roundabout works, the rules and the principles. If you haven't seen those videos, watch those videos so you fully understand what is roundabout. I will leave a link in the description for you to have a look. Have a look and watch those so that you fully understand what is roundabouts. In this, we're going to focus mainly why many learners are failing on roundabouts. Let's go and find some roundabouts. So we talk about, and you could see what I am doing, how I am approaching, and as I'm dealing with the roundabouts, you could watch and see, so that hopefully it's going to help you to deal with roundabouts, help you to understand roundabouts, help you to know exactly how to approach and how to deal with roundabouts. Mirror, mirror, signal left. Okay? When you go left, we're going to find many roundabouts. So on the first roundabout, we're going to go third exit on the right. Third exit on the right. So for you to know third on the right, look at the picture. Can you see? We're going to go third on the right, number 3. So for you to go third on the right, what do? Mirror, mirror, signal right. Signal right, okay? Position on the right. Now you need to look on your right early. So I'm going to look on my right because that's the way I need to give way. And my speed around 2 cars, speed around 10 miles per hour. There's no one coming now. I'm going to go now. Inside, because for third on the right. I need to count, okay? Make sure you count. This is number 1. Keep signaling. If it goes off, put it back on. Many, they fail because they didn't put it back on again. Keep signaling right. Keep signaling right. This is second. We're going third. Mirror, mirror. Signal left. Blind spot, and go. Many, they don't check the blind spot. As I'm coming off, mirror, 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 done. Is that okay? Good. Fourth exit on the right. The roundabout coming up, fourth on the right. What do? Mirror, mirror. Signal right. Blind spot, position right. Blind spot, then position right. Done. Where do I look? On my right. Okay? Keep signaling right. Look on my right. Speed is around 10. About here. Around 10. Look on my right. There's no one coming. Inside. Go inside. Okay? And then I need to count. Number 1. So count and make sure the signal stays on. Many learners, it goes off and they don't put it back on again and they fail for that. Okay, so keep going. If the signal goes off, put it back on. It went off, didn't it? Put it back on. That's number 2. Where are we going? Fourth. This is number 3. Okay, number 3. Signal went off, put it back on. Okay, mirror, mirror, signal. Blind spot, lane change. Are you getting anything? And many learners, they fail for what? Signal went off twice. If you don't put it back on, you will fail. Going to go third exit on the right. Mirror, mirror, signal right. On this roundabout, third on the right. Blind spot, lane change. Done. Done. What am I going to do? Look on my right. Brake a little. About here, 10 miles per hour. Look on my right. Look on my right. Let the brake go. Give gas. Inside. Third on the right. Inside. Number 1. So I'm inside. Number 1. Keep signaling. Keep signaling. Okay? Keep signaling. Put it back on. You went off. Put it back on. That's second. Mirror, mirror. Signal left. Blind spot. blind spot, lane change. Done. As I'm coming off, mirror, cyclist, motorcyclist, and I come off. Because that's where the problems are. That's where the problems are. There could be a bike here, there could be a motorbike here. So as you're coming off, mirror, mirror, mirror. Done. Is that okay? So the way I did it, did you see? You need to signal on time, be in your own lane, the lane that you need. Look on your right early, make sure you find the right gap, speed is low. And if the signal goes off while you are going round, make sure you put it back on again. Many learners, they don't put it back on and they fail. Okay? So make sure you remember that. The reason you're signaling is because you are telling everyone else where you are going. If the signal goes off, then they don't really know what you're doing. They are not confused because you're not signaling anymore. The reason you went off, because sometimes you work with your steering. So because you went off, put it back on again until you have finished. Okay? So make sure you remember that. Do you understand roundabouts? Have you had any lessons in roundabouts? Let me know in the comments how you are doing at roundabouts. And does that help? Is this video helping you with the roundabouts? Roundabout coming up, second exit straight ahead. Second exit straight ahead. Okay, so watch this and we'll talk about it in a minute. Second straight, mirror, mirror, no signal. To go straight, no signal. Left lane. Look on my right. Look on my right. Anyone coming? No one coming. Which lane do I need? Left lane. There is no road markings, but make your own lane. Make your own lane. Mirror, mirror, signal left. Okay? Signal left. So what happened here? Second straight meaning left lane, no signal, and as you're coming off, just before your exit, put the signal left to come off. There was no road marking on this roundabout, which meant I had to make my own lane. To go straight ahead, second exit, you need the left lane. There was no road marking. Just because there is no road marking, it doesn't mean you're just going to go straight. You have to make your own lane and go round. Many learners, they fail because they don't make the lane. Okay? Make sure you remember that. Okay? So to go straight ahead, second exit, you need the left lane, no signal. As you're passing the first exit, put the signal on to come off to your exit, which is second exit. If there's no road markings or lane markings in the roundabout, make your own lane. Okay? Roundabout coming up. We're going to go fourth exit on the right, meaning coming back. Fourth exit on the right. Speed here is, what's the speed starting here? Can you see the national speed limit? Is saying 60 from here. Single carriageway, 60. Now, fourth exit on the right. Fourth, mirror, mirror. Signal right. Position towards right. Done. Look on my right. Look on my right. Anyone coming? Many learners, finding the gap, they get it wrong. Just look on your right, speed low. There's no space. I'm going to stop here. And let the brake go now. And give gas. Inside lane. Inside. Number one. Fourth exit here. Number two. That's number two. Keep signaling. Make sure signal is there. That's number three. Mirror, mirror. And signal here. Left. Blind spot. Blind spot. And change lane here. Done. As I'm coming off, mirror, 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 and then come off. Done. Make sure signal stays on. I haven't gone yet. Once I've gone, the wheel is straight. Now signal off. Sometimes it will come off with your steering. That's fine. It comes off. Wait until you've gone. And then if it comes off, it's fine. If not, take it off. Okay? Now that I am off roundabouts, if the signal stays on, I'm going to fail because people thinking, maybe I want to go here. So make sure you take it off on time. Many learners, they fail because either you went off, they didn't put it back on, or they've gone, but they forget to take it off. And that's a fail as well because you are signaling. Your signal is saying you want to go left or right, but you're not actually going left or right. It's because you haven't taken the signal off. Make sure you take it off. Roundabout coming up, second exit, straight ahead. Mirror, mirror, no signal. Second straight, no signal. Mirror, mirror, no signal. Stay in the left. There's only one lane. Stay towards left. Look on my right. Speed low. Around 10 now. 10. Look on my right. No one coming. There's no road markings or lane markings. Make my own lane. Mirror, mirror. Now signal left. Okay? This roundabout is the same one as we went. There's no lane marking. What do? You make your own lane. Okay? Done. Many learners, they fail because they don't make the own lane. They just go straight because there's no road marking. So make sure you make your own lane. Okay? So just to recap, first of all, make sure you understand which lane you need, when to signal, and how to signal. Number two, you give way on your right, so look early so you know who's coming from there. Okay? And then get the speed around 2 to 3 car from the line, from the roundabout. Speed down to around 15, 10, 15. Okay? Keep looking on your right. If the gap is there, you go. If not, you go to the line and you wait and you stop. And then once you find the gap, you go. As you are doing the roundabout, if the signal goes off, you put it back on again. Make sure you put it back on until you've done it. Okay? And the other thing is, if the roundabout doesn't have a lane marking, you make your own lane. Don't just go anyhow. Okay? So if you're going straight second exit, we've done that twice, didn't we? There was no lane marking on the roundabout. So what did we do? We made our own lane. If you don't, you will fail. Many learners, they fail because they don't make the own lane. Also, if the signal goes off, they don't put it back on again. Also, as they're coming off the roundabout, they don't look at the blind spot, especially going to third or fourth exit on the right. Remember, coming off, you need to check the blind spot. If you don't, you will fail your test. So these are the reasons why many learners fail. This roundabout coming up, first exit left. So hopefully by watching, you are getting how to actually do it practically, because sometimes you could read, but you don't really know how to do it. Okay? So first on the left, mirror, mirror, signal left. Cover the brake and don't brake, just let it roll, and now brake. Brake, brake, brake. Look on my right. Brake, look on my right. Okay? Look on my right. That's it. Behind this black van, look on my right again. Look right and ahead. Right and ahead. Right and ahead. Stop here. Look on my right again. Plenty. And now I'm going to go. Left lane. Good. Keep signaling left. You went off. Put it back on. Put it back on. Okay? On this roundabout, fourth exit on the right. Fourth, mirror, mirror, signal right. Blind spot, lane change. Done. Keep signaling right. Look on my right. Okay? Off gas, cover the brake and let the car roll. Now start braking. Around here, speed around 10 to 15. Look on my right. Look on my right. No one there. Inside. Fourth exit, inside. Keep signaling right. Number one. Number two, keep signaling. Went off, put it back on. Many learners, they fail because they don't put it back on. Okay? This one is 3. Okay? Put it back on. Mirror, mirror, signal left. Blind spot, lane change. Is that okay? Good. Roundabout coming up. First exit left. Here, take it off. I've done that one. That one is quite far. Take it off. First exit on the left. So mirror, mirror, signal around here, left. Okay, cover the brake and just let it roll. Now stop braking. Stop braking. Look on my right. Look on my right. Okay, go round the bend. Round the bend. Blind spot. Go. Left. Done. As I'm coming off, beautiful. Okay. The other thing you just noticed here, at the end, where the roundabout, the lane bended towards left, didn't it? Many learners, they just look on their right and they forget to look ahead where the road is going, and they end up on the wrong lane. So make sure look on your right and look ahead. Look on your right, look ahead, so you know what's there and how the road is going. If the road is bending, you need to steer with the bend, because if you don't, you're going to end up on the wrong lane. Okay? If you need extra help on Learn to Drive and to pass the driving test, don't forget to take the advantage of our online course, which gives everything a learner needs. The course will give you everything you need for you to learn and for you to pass the driving test. It has everything you need. I will leave a link in the description for you to have a look. Have a look and see and read. And if you like it, you could always join the course. Thank you for watching. I hope the video helps. If it does, please do give a thumbs up. Please do make a comment what you think of the video, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. Hope to see you again on the next video. Bye for now.